Hey guys, it's Rob from Projector Central, and we are about to open the biggest projector box we've ever received here. It is for the Epson Epic Vision LS500 Ultra Short Throw Projector with 100-inch screen. Don't go anywhere, we're going to show you what's inside. Let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. So this box is 90 inches wide to accommodate the screen, obviously. It actually is 88 pounds. I'll just pull this thing down here so that you can see inside. All right, now, clearly, this would be the projector. They have given us a pair of white gloves for the handling of the screen materials. And the projector box itself is actually a pretty big boy here. So, tell you what, let's go ahead and open that up first. We'll keep it where you all can see it. Obviously, just packing material. Here is some literature. Let's see what's in here. Quick setup guides in several different languages. Quite a few. This would be the box with accessories. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Power cord. This looks to me, I'm going to guess and say this is a USB extension. No, this is actually an HDMI. It's a short HDMI extender cable. Maybe there's a port that's in an awkward, potentially awkward place, so they give you that to make sure you can accommodate it. This would be a USB to mini USB connector, perhaps for charging, maybe? No, let's see what we have here. Okay, this looks to me to be the remote for the dongle, the USB dongle. This projector, I believe, comes with two different remotes. Yes, it does. So let's see what we got here. So this would be the dongle that actually fits inside the projector to give you your Android TV. So there's a little compartment, I believe, for that. We'll find out. This would be the remote that you would use specifically for the Android TV. Now, their new LS500 product is on a different platform. They've integrated the Android into that. And then this, let's see. And actually, this would be the Epson remote. We'll find out which one is which later on. And batteries for those. Okay, move that aside. And here's the projector. Oh yeah, look at that beaut. You may have noticed that it has the lens basically coming off the top. Epson says that gives them better performance and allows them to have a little bit of a different approach. And there you go. You can see that it's got a rather large lens compared to most of the USTs. We'll see how that bears out when you see the actual image. Now there is a utility speaker system in the front. It's not intended to be a very high-end sound system. So they're assuming you're going to hook it up to either a sound bar or an audio system like we will. Now, this piece of cardboard here, they're very clear. They say, do not discard. Use this jig to install the 100 Epic Vision Ultra LS500. One side goes flush to the wall, and one side goes flush to the projector. So this is intended to help you basically position the projector and the screen. We'll put that aside. And in here, we're going to have all the elements for the screen. Okay, here we go. All right, so a few different pieces here. Obviously the documentation. It's a pretty long manual, it looks like. Epson also has produced some videos to help with the construction of the screen and the mounting of the projector. This would be our installation guide, also in 4 different languages. We'll look that over before we start. And then these are going to be the screen frame elements, several of them. And this has got to be the screen material. Plastic sheet to protect the screen material when you put it down to install it. Springs, which are used to tension mount the screen to the frame. This would be the hardware and brackets used to join the materials, join the frame members together, and also to hang it later. And then in here, we're going to have our screen material, which I'm not going to obviously unfold right now, but well packed in a heavy tube to protect it. I'll just sort of show you what it looks like. And there it is. So it's basically, it's a fairly stiff material that they've got nicely rolled up. It looks like it's in great shape. Come on back here and we will show you how the screen comes together and mounts up, and take you through that process as well. All right, see you later.